Okay, folks, good day. Thank you for tuning into my channel. And as you know, I am DC the Realtor, and I am here today in Verne, California. For all you that don't know Verne, it is just west of Montclair, and it's just south of the 210 freeway. The subject of today's video is we are here doing a open house. I'm going to be here on October the 13th from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And I'll be giving you the particulars of this property. And you know what? Let's do it right now. So basically, this is a 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, has a loft, okay, 2-car garage. And so let's go inside, take a look, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments. Alrighty, folks, so here we go. And as we enter, you see there's a stairwell right off to the right, and this is a very spacious open plan with a very spacious foyer. There we go. I want to get the correct view. And as we walk in, you can see that we're dealing with a very nice and modern layout known as open concept. Like I always say, it is rare you don't see an open concept in a new build nowadays. Okay, once again, this bad boy is 2,056 square feet. Okay, folks, and the appliances here are all wood appliances. The stoves are 4 or 6 burner stoves. Okay, and of course, like I mentioned before, folks, if you watch my videos, then you know that typically builders do not supply refrigerators. That's why you have to purchase your own fridge. Let's make our way onto the patio. Alrighty then. Very spacious patio, covered of course. And of course, these patios, in the case of this builder, they are offering an incentive by which they will pave some of these patios. I'll include the pricing of that situation in the video at this point when I am done taping. I don't have all the information on that just yet. Okay, so once again, we're back here at the kitchen. And here's our dining area. And of course, our living area, and very spacious. Lots of natural daylight in here, which is always important. Huge bay windows, of course. And there is a half bath on this level as well. Alrighty then, we're gonna make our way up to the 2nd floor. And as always, this is the point that I like to tell you folks that I am DC the Realtor, your real estate advocate, practicing real estate since 2012 here in the state of California. I have my license hung with Century 21 King on Chickamauga on Day Creek Boulevard. Alright then, so as we come upstairs, there's a very spacious loft. And this, folks, is the model that you will see when you arrive to the open house on October 13th. Once again, October 13th, 2024. We will be having an open house here at this site in Verne. I'll give you the exact address at the beginning of the video. And we hope to see you there. Okay, so that was one of the bathrooms there. Here's your laundry room. This is actually electric and gas in this laundry room, as I was told. Alrighty, folks. And we have our first bedroom here. This is our second bedroom. And here is the master. So, again, October 13th, 2024, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. We'll be doing an open house here. Come down and see me, folks. Here's our master bathroom, rest area, separate tub and sink. Tub and shower, that is, dual sinks, walk-in closet. Again, this is going in the low 1 million range. I've been advised 1.05. That is the range that this building is going to let this go at. Okay, folks. So, please come and see me October 13, 2024, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. We'll be doing an open house here at this property in Verne. Please give me a call. My number's at the bottom of the screen. And I am DC the Realtor of Century 21 King Ranch, Cucamonga. One more view of the home as we depart. Alrighty, folks, that's it for this preview of the open house. Like I said, come out and see me October 13th, 2024, from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. We will be doing the open house. This property is in Verne. Hope to see you there, folks. Take care. Grace and peace.